Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to attach the Joy-Con to the Joy-Con grip on the Nintendo Switch 2. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got the Nintendo Switch 2 and you're wondering how to attach the Joy-Cons to the Joy-Con grip. Well, here's how you actually do it. It simply just magnetically attaches on just like this, right? So you have the left Joy-Con and then you have the right Joy-Con. And unlike its predecessor where it used to have to slide in order to attach, once it's inside, it's basically hard to remove. And then in order to remove the Joy-Con, you simply just press this button and it comes right off, all right? So really neat improvement that Nintendo made when it came to the Nintendo Switch 2, which was, it kind of feels like it's magnetic almost, where the Joy-Cons just magnetically attach to the Joy-Con grip. And then to simply just remove it, you press this button and it comes right off instead of sliding it unlike its predecessor. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and attach the Joy-Cons to the Joy-Con grip on the Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.